What'd you do with your tent, bro?
Froggy flips.
Good morning, everybody. So it's another chilly morning here in Indiana. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so there's really not a lot going on, but there are a few leads that we're going to follow up on and just see what we can make happen. First off, we have kind of an off-season yard sale. The ad said that there's tons of stuff, and it was just pretty much poor planning on their part, so we're definitely going to go check that out. And then I actually had a local viewer reach out to me on what looks like just a small collection of comics and toys and some cards. With the pictures, it kind of looked like a mix between some vintage and some more modern stuff. But he's basically asking $250 for that small collection. Doesn't look like it's going to be anything crazy, but there were a couple things I noticed in the pictures that made me want to meet up with him and go ahead and pull the trigger because they look pretty interesting. And then the last thing, I actually responded to a Facebook ad for something that I've personally been on the hunt for probably over 10 years now. Something that's not really for resale, just something that I've been on the hunt for locally for a long time, and one finally popped up, so I'm just going to jump on it. And then at the end of all that, I'll bring everything back in. We'll take a look at it. So let's go see what we can make happen.
Good morning. Are you guys open yet?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Except for the few things that I've set aside for people that said they'll be here right now.
Okay. Those are cool. I'm already seeing stuff. Can I make a little pile somewhere?
If it's a manly thing, then that's not a manly thing. If it's a manly thing, he'll be back in the room.
Okay.
I just can't get in a good spot.
The sun is crazy right now.
He's making himself a pile. He won.
Making a pile.
He's making a pile. Oh, okay.
Some good stuff.
What'd you do with your tent, bro? Oh, you keeping it warm?
I am.
$5. I like these old toys.
I need one for that table and one for this over here. I need two pieces. Small. That's small.
Thank you for taking that.
Did you work at Cummins? Did you? Oh, I'm sure.
What is up mga idol? So ito, nagbabalik tayo. Recording ulit tayo ng ating first clearance. Steelbone Spectre naman mga idol. Pakita natin. Boss Raid. Steelbone Spectre. Ayan. Di pa natin siya nakiklear. Kaya ito, i-record natin. Magandang record to mga idol. Dahil ang kasama natin ay walang iba kundi ang Aerondite main. Ayan, di bali ako po yung extension. Kami po. Mga Aerondite 2 extension. At ang sasama sa amin.
Hey. Oh, what's up guys? Welcome to my stream. My channel. And today we are opening not one, not two, but 90 summon tickets. That's right, I'm gonna open 91 Gritstone summon ticket. So I've gathered all this 91 from the step up, gathered all here and Zoetrope. Here's the new event. You'll get the ticket from the Spirit Stone. Alright? So, without any waste of our time, let's get into it. Now, I'm very nervous and hopefully we get some epic spirits. Alright? Okay.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, magtatagalog na nga lang ako para nag-English ako kanina eh. Ha?
Naka-stream nga siya.
Oo, naka-stream ako. Ipopost ko to sa YouTube. So, here we go. Our first one. Ayan na. Our first one, let's go. Oops. Wala. Wala. First one. Okay. Second one. Let's go. Second one. Come on, give me something good. Uy, may isa. Okay. Sana maganda. Oh my god! Putik epic agad. Oh my god. Pangalawa pa lang yun. Putik. Nakakuha ko. Okay, one down. Okay, another one. Let's go. Putik, unang epic. My first epic. Okay, wala. Pwede na yun. Unang-una. Okay, we have 6 more times. Okay. Let's go. Woo! My first epic. Okay, wala na naman. Ang hirap. Mahirap. 5 more times. Let's go. I need 5 more times. Pinaghirapan ko to. Ilang buwan ko rin inipon to. Butik wala na naman. Talagang isa lang ba talaga? Oh, bawing na yun. Okay, 4 more times. 4. Okay. Round 2. Nung kanina, isang epic lang yun. Buti ko na naman. Yun lang talaga. Oh my goodness. Oh, mahirap to. 3 na lang, kaibigan. 3 na lang. Oh my goodness. Last 3.
Mag-i-English nga si Brent eh.
Wala na. And kayo naman ng Tagalog din naman. Putik wala na. Wala na yung swerte. Wala isang beses. Last two. Putik, wala man lang. Kahit rare. Okay na ako. Kahit rare. Wala man lang rare. Putik, wala na naman. Grabe po, all that 90 spirit stones. Walang kahit rare, isang epic lang. Pero okay na yung bawin na yun. Last one. Sana may rare. Marami, 3 sila. Sana nandito sila 3. Isa na lang. Sa huli ba epic? Oh. Putik yan. Putik. Rare kaya to? O epic? Pero ba yun? Dragit. Pero ba yung... pwede na. Rare na. Putik. Hindi, wala pang ganito. Oo. Oh, pagkatapos yan, syempre. Oh, ito yung nakuha natin ngayon. Ano nakuha natin dito? Ano ba effect nito? Max HP by 1,000. Ang taas. PvP damage reduction tas monster damage reduction. Maganda yung stats nito. Knockdown rest. Uy, hunting XP boost 50. Ang taas. Knockdown rest boost pa. Bagay to sa Lancer. Tas ito, recover max MP. Pwede na. Summon na yan. Saan natin lalagay? Ay, hindi. Ito naman. Ito yung eBay eh. Oh. Nice. So pagkatapos yan, nalagay na tayo sa codex. Mga kulang natin. Salamat. So, kaya pinag-ipunan ko to dahil sa conquest, iniwan ko to kasi ang kailangan natin mag-combine ng spirit stones 19 times. O magko-combine na tayo ngayon. Yun na naman yung main event natin. Pero ba yung game. Combine. Ano kaya to? Rare lang to eh. Dogo. Sapa. Combine. May isa na naman. Isa. Oink Pio. Tagal na yun. Last one. Wala. Last two. Uy, may isa na naman. Yung mingiti pang dragon. Game, Ay, kulang ako ng isa. Wait lang. Pwede ako umuwi eh. Para kumuha lang. Uwi muna tayo. Kahit may quest ako. Kunin natin itong mga to. Yan, yung mga natira natin. Dami ko pa dito eh. Tinira ko lahat. Ay, may conquest na ako. Doon ako nagkaroon ng conquest. Promote. Okay.
Magkano ba yan nabibiling pet na ganyan?
Naku, nagbabalak. Butik isa lang nakuha kong epic. Okay na yun. Epic. Not bad. Pero syempre ano pa rin tayo, magka-combine pa rin ako. Masarap yun. Sarap ng tulog ko. Anong oras yun?
Gusto ko rin mag-ipon ng 90 miraso. Kala ko parang gusto mo na mag-load eh.
Magka-combine tayo. Last na to. Oo. Okay. Isa lang to, one time only lang to. Hindi ko pa pinapakita eh. Ay, wala.
Kasi gusto mo makawin ko na mabilis din.
Isa na lang talaga.
Yung basket na yun.
Isa na lang.
Yan. Daily package.
Uy, skeleton, wala pa akong ganito. Okay lang.
Yan.
Okay, that's it for today. Hindi ko nakakombine to, lalagay ko na to sa codex yung iba. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. And sana na-enjoy nyo tong stream ko. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out for now. Bye.
Nutri-sarap Kitchen. Ano man ang pinagdadaanan natin ngayon buong taon, gagawin pa rin nating special.
So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So kung bago ka lang, please do like and subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga latest video ko everyday. So yun guys, i-focus yung level mo dahil hindi na siya katulad dati kasi nga nagbabago-bago yung presyo ng Draco and ayun, dapat max level yung character mo kung magmimina ka. Ang max level na tinutukoy ko pag magmimina, it's either level 75, pinaka full-time miner, then level 45, yun yung target ko actually this last month or last week. Yun yung mga target ko, level 45. Yun lang ginagawa ko, level 45, then magmimina ako ng around 1 week to 2 weeks. Then minsan level 36 to 40 okay na sa akin. Pero dati yun effective